Welcome to MySpec. Today, I'll show you how to generate production-ready software specs using AI. First, choose your project type: greenfield for new projects starting from scratch, or brownfield for existing projects that need documentation or refactoring. We're selecting greenfield for our AI meeting intelligence platform. Next, select your preferred GPT model. MySpec supports multiple models to match your needs for speed, cost, or quality. Once selected, answer the guided questions about your MVP scope. MySpec's AI instantly generates your constitution.md, establishing project vision, core principles, technology constraints, and security requirements. This becomes your single source of truth. The AI then generates requirements.md with detailed functional and non-functional specs. But here's the powerful part. MySpec includes an AI review feature. The system automatically analyzes your spec, identifies gaps, and provides recommendations. See this yellow flag? The AI suggests deferring external synchronization and clarifying reliability metrics. You can accept feedback or request changes in natural language. Need changes? Just type what you want, like add filtering by date in Organizer or support multilingual transcription. The AI regenerates the spec with version tracking, showing you exactly what changed in each revision. This iterative loop continues until your spec is perfect. The AI ensures every requirement aligns with your constitution. Once requirements are approved, MySpec generates solution.md with your technical architecture, tech stack decisions, and data models. Finally, it creates tasks.md, breaking everything into actionable milestones with dependencies, complexity ratings, and acceptance criteria. Each task traces back to specific requirements. Your complete spec bundle is ready. Download as a zip with all Markdown files or click Edit to continue refining in a new session. Whether you're doing greenfield development or documenting brownfield systems, MySpec turns weeks of spec writing into minutes. Start building better software today.